Hey guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing video and it's another fire alarm. So this might be great. This might be one of the good devices. This is just extra bubble wrap. Well, we don't need this. So we're going to open this box up and see what's inside. If I can get this open. Oh, it opens from the side. That's cool. It's not a remote strobe, but it's a horn strobe. A Wheelock ZNS. And the model number is ZNS MCW, and it's multi-candela. So, alright, it's a horn strobe. Here's the horn piezo up here. Here's the strobe, candela selection. And it has the instruction manual too. And also came with the mounting bracket. So the mounting bracket will slip right on. It wires the same way as my other Wheelock device. It's the other one is a ZRS, you know, which is the remote strobe. So it's a very good device. Wheelock ZNS. Yep, what it is, a Wheelock ZNS. Also has the instruction manual too and some extra screws in there. It's got the red screws. Okay. Hopefully you guys like this new device, and that's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.